Motora Golf's M1 Control is leading the field when it comes to remote control golf carts. Its extreme lightweight, incredible endurance and amazing control puts the M1 in a league of its own. Remote control isn't just a novelty, it can seriously change your golf. You no longer have to be constrained by your trolley. Save time and energy and allow yourself to focus fully on your game. Think of the M1 Control as your very own personal caddy. Enjoy your round of golf like a tour pro. Have your M1 Control wait for you while you tee off and then meet you on the fairway. Call it over once you've found your ball. Or send it on to the next tee while you stroll freely up to the green to finish the hole. The M1's remote control capability is truly second to none. You can be confident that the M1 will respond to your every command. Here you can see the M1 being directed across a narrow bridge from 70 or 80 yards with no trouble whatsoever. The M1 Control continues to be manoeuvred up the fairway to a range of around 150 yards before being safely brought to a standstill next to the ball. Once you've completed your round, just undo the upper and lower bag straps and remove your bag. To store your M1 Control, simply loosen the upper and lower securing mechanism, fold down the trolley, connect the lower bag strap and carry away. Or for the ultimate protection of both your M1 Control and your vehicle, use Motora Golf's specially designed storage and carry case.